Hi, so in this video, I'll be showing you how other mortgage brokers are crashing in the market right now, where you are still relying on cold calls or referrals. So I have prepared a complete document of strategy that we use for our clients to generate exclusive leads and appointments of mortgage borrowers. And you can also use this document to implement these systems for your business. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So this is the simple four-step process. So in this step one, we analyze and prepare a strategy. So firstly, we will define the ICP, which is ideal customer profile. So let's say if you offer VA loans, your ICP would be veterans, active duty military personnel, and their families who are looking to buy home. So the key factors that we consider, the age range would be 25 to 50, credit score 580 plus. And as soon as we define the ICP, we will move to preparing the funnel. So it is nothing but a journey from a lead to your book appointments. After that, we will start building the high converting landing page where we will be asking some pre-qualification questions to ensure our lead quality. After building the landing page, we will start building the personalized AI agent. So what it does is, so whenever we got any lead, it will immediately call those leads and confirm it and turn into appointment. So don't worry, in the upcoming video, I'll be giving you the live demo of how this AI agent works and how it is helping us to increase the appointment rate by 20 to 30%. So as soon as we build the foundation, we will move to step two, which is setting up the Facebook ad campaign. So once we prepare the strategy, then we will start setting the highly targeted Facebook ad campaign to start testing. So we will setting up your business manager and your ad account setup to ensure everything working properly. And as soon as your ad account set up and we got the access, then we will move to structuring your campaign. So we will choose the right objective like lead generation or the sales campaign. So we will give the minimum budget of 30 to $40 per day so that we can expect 3 to 4 quality leads every day. So in this step 3, we will do detailed targeting where we will be targeting on the basis of interest and demographics of your ideal customers. Let's say if we are targeting the mortgage borrowers, then their interest would be like buying house loans and something like that. So we will be do detailed targeting. So after that, we will move to ad creative and copy. So here we have more than 50 plus winning ad creative and copy that are working in mortgage brokers right now. So we will replicate it for your business and created some 4 to 5 ad copies and start testing it. So as you can see on the screen, this is a quick example that are working in the market right now. As you can see, this is very clear with the offer and the CTA. So after creating ad copy, we will move to setting a lead form or a landing page. So if we created a landing page, then we will connect to your ad account, and if not, there's second option which we call a lead form, which is provided by the Facebook itself. So as soon as someone click on our ad, a quick form pop up, and they will fill their contact info, and we can also customize it and add our custom questions in it to like pre-qualify the leads. And like but the difference between the landing page and a quick form, if we are using landing page, then we have the more data because we connect the pixel, which is nothing just a code from the Facebook that we integrate to your landing page. And whenever someone visit on your landing page, we have the data which we can use to retarget our audience. So landing page is definitely better than a lead form. So you can also see the example of how the landing page looks like. So this is nothing just a simple page with a clear offer and a clear CTA. So this is totally different from the website. There's no distraction in the landing page. Here we have the simple offer and a clear CTA. And when someone click on the button, and a quick form will pop up, and where we will be asking some qualifying questions. So as soon as they fill the form, we got the leads in our backend, and automation will start triggering to nurture them and turn those leads into book appointment. So after setuping up funnels, we will move to step 3, which is setting up the automation and AI. So once the ad campaign is ready to go live, our team will set up an AI and automation that will help to turn those leads into appointment. So firstly, we will set up your CRM and pipeline. So the pipeline and CRM will help you to track the leads that we are getting from the Facebook ads. So you can track all the leads status what are those leads who are into follow up list, and who are those leads are actually converted. So all these data you can track with very transparency through your CRM. And we will also set up an AI agent, as I already told you. So this is totally customizable AI agents. After that, we will move to like automated workflow. So this will help you to like increase your show up rate. Like when someone book the appointment, then we will set up an automation sequences of SMS and email, so that a person who have booked the appointments will automatically get the reminders and follow ups, so that we can increase your show up rate. And here comes the step 4, which is optimization and scaling. So once our campaign is live and we start getting some results, as soon our campaign go live and we start getting some results, our team will analyze the key matrices and see what are the ad creatives that are going well, and what are those who are not performing, to turn it off, and do all the like necessary optimization that is required to your ad campaign to optimize it and ready to scale. So after optimizing, we will move to a retargeting strategy. So here what we do is, like in the retargeting strategy, like as I told you, if we are using landing page, then we have a data in our pixel of every visitor that who have visited to our landing page. So what we can do is we can create a lookalike or separate audience to retarget those audience who have visited our landing pages. This will help us to increase our conversion rate and reduce the lead costing and scale our ad campaign. So like that's it. This is the simple 4 step process that you can also implement for your business to scale in 2025. But if you want this system to be done for your business from our team, then you can book one-on-one directly call with us by clicking the link in the description. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one, and I will show you the live demo of AI agents, like how these are helping the businesses to increase the appointment rate by 20 to 30%.